evening walk with our cat and our dog. Luna keeps trying to get the cat. Ringo, you're teasing Luna. And we live all the way down where that car is turning. You two are nuts. We're so close to home. Come on, Ringo. He walked around the entire block with us. And we only have not very much farther to go. Are you tired? We're in the middle of the road there, buddy. Ringo. Come on. So I got this Colorista. Sorry, it's upside down. Colorista. It's burgundy because I tried the pink and it didn't show up in my hair. So I'm doing, sorry, you can't see, I'm sorry. I'm doing half of my hair, the bottom half of that color. So hopefully it works out. I'm going to do a couple like little streaks on the top. It's just a washout, so I'm hoping it goes well. I'm sorry, it doesn't show up very well on the light on my phone, but I think it's probably supposed to be the same-ish color as my shirt, a little bit redder because it's supposed to be burgundy. So I'll show you the final result tomorrow when my hair's all done and dry and clean. So here is the after, so you can kind of see it right here. It's not a lot. Sorry, it's really zoomed in. It's not a lot, but it's a subtle difference, I guess. You can definitely see it though. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Just the underside, and then I have like a little bit up here, but not a lot. So yeah, that's the after. I said I would show it to you, so that's it. To walk. Come on, you. We're trying. Nice little hike. It's a nice day. That's the campground right there. We're walking behind it. They put in a playground at this place we like to go. We come here all the time. They put a playground in, which kind of makes me mad because I liked the thought of not having. Because we would just go down to we'd go up to the waterfall and then we'd go down to the water that's down here. And now all everyone wants to do is go to the playground. So I want Luna to go in the water though. So because she likes it. Evan, what's that? It's an active volcano. An active volcano? So cool.